it's time for my June favorites. We're just 1 month away from my birthday, guys. Next month is going to be a special favorite. Starting with my favorite songs, there are two very different favorite songs. One is obviously the new BTS song Yet to Come. I also did something really special with YouTube Shorts for this one. Check that out here. Obviously shamelessly plugging my videos always. But love the song. Of course, it's a bittersweet scene right now with them taking a break and all of that. But I feel like it's such a meaningful song, and if you're just feeling in a bit of a lull or a blah place, it really puts you in a good place. Like, yes, the best is yet to come. Like right now with this traffic, the best is yet to come. The silence is yet to come. The next song is not silent at all. It's actually courtesy of my husband. It's for those of you that say I don't listen to Hindi music, actually this is Punjabi. This is Sidhu Moosewala, and this is 0 to 100. He is obsessed with all his music, listens to his music a lot. I've been hearing this song and I'm hooked. And it's terrible that we lost such an amazing artist at such a young age. And it's really sad. I feel like, really bad when things like this happen and you haven't really appreciated the artist's work while they're alive. And then, after their death, you kind of discover their work and you talk about it. I mean, I know art lives on, music lives on. I just feel really sad that I didn't know of him sooner. And it's really unfortunate that we lost him at such a young age. Okay, then we have my favorite book. We have a favorite book after really long, guys. And this one is really special. Okay, so this is Behram's Boat by Adi Pocha, who was my partner in crime at GottaDoIndia. You guys know the other channel that I have, which is the travel channel. So Adi and me actually started that channel together, and I know a lot of you are going to say, bring it back. We might, but not right now. So this book is by Adi, and it's a fantastic book. It is just, I'm not saying this because he's my friend. I'm actually saying this because I really enjoyed reading it. It's about, I don't want to tell you guys what it's about. Read the book because I don't want to ruin it for you. And it's really special because this is a friend's book, and I was at the launch. You guys must have seen it on my Instagram and stuff. And I bought it off Amazon the same day. And it's just something you will go through really fast. It's an easy read, but it's a great read. Moment. Okay, so this one is really special, and it's actually not really a moment. I can't pick one moment, but I feel like the last couple of weeks you guys have shown a lot of love on all the new content we put out, and that means a lot because I just wanted to say that, sometimes when the algorithms change, things change, certain videos don't do well. As a creator that's been around for a decade doing this, I do question what I do sometimes and go like, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing right? What's happening? And there's just been a lot of love on a lot of the new content, and that has kind of made me feel really happy again. And I feel excited to create content and do different stuff because there is this genuine love for what I do, and your appreciation only makes it stronger. So thank you. Favorite movie has to be this movie called Hustle on Netflix. It has Adam Sandler in it, and it's not his usual comedy, jokey movies that I have grown up. Not you, you may not have grown up watching them. So, when you think of Adam Sandler, you think of funny movies in, the early 2000s, 90s, and that's kind of what I grew up on. This role is very special. It's a more serious role, and I feel like he's definitely going to win some awards for this one. And it's a great film. Check it out. Beauty favorites. Okay, so we have a sunscreen after very long. So you guys know I didn't wear sunscreen a lot through the pandemic and stuff like that. I asked for a lot of options on my Instagram, which I still will maybe do like a sunscreen video. If you guys want me to do like a full-on review with lots of like sunscreen options, let me know in the comments. But this one is what my dermatologist recommended. It is fab. Okay, so it's Isdin Fusion Water Photo Protector. The name sounds strange, but it's really, really good. Trust me. It's really light. It's water-based again. Like you don't feel that cast. I'm going to show it to you right now while I apply it because I don't have anything on my face. I'm not going to apply a lot because I'm not going anywhere. I mean, of course, you can apply it in the house also, but I don't. It's just really, really light. Gets easily absorbed. And as I'm doing this now, I'm like, oh my god, did I wash my hands before starting this video? Or am I putting my dirty hands on my face? But it's too late for that. So yeah, just mix it. Not mix it. What am I saying? Pagal ho gayi hai Sherry. Just apply. And you'll see instantly. I don't even have a mirror here. I'm just doing this like on the tiny screen. And hopefully I've got all of it, but it's not like chip and it's just gets easily absorbed and it gives you like full-on coverage and protection that you need. So if you're looking for a sunscreen, I would definitely recommend this one. It's really light. It's great for like Bombay type humid weather where you're constantly sweating and you feel like, oh my god, how am I supposed to wear anything on my face in this weather? This is great for that. Okay, time for my favorite shows. Okay, first up on Netflix, we have My Liberation Notes, a K-drama I just finished. Really love this one because it's special. It's different. It's not like that hardcore romance and, you know, lovey-dovey stuff. It's different. It's a little hard-hitting. It's a great drama. Watch it. Then we have Love on the Spectrum. Now, this is the original one, which is the Australian series. So good. It's about people on the autism spectrum and how they match them on dates and stuff like that for them to find love. Beautifully done. I finished the Australia one and then the next one I watched was the America one. So I watched Love on the Spectrum U.S. Season 1, Season 2. All of them are amazing. Like such, you know, hard-hitting real stories and you really feel for the people on the show and some of them find love, some of them don't. And when they do, it's really special and you're like, oh my god, you're really rooting for them. So I would definitely recommend both those series. Stranger Things, the new series is fab. I think this is the best one yet and I will totally recommend it. If you haven't watched it, start from season 1 now. Then we have The Lincoln Lawyer, which is again an interesting series, like very much if you like Suits and stuff like that without like the eye candy of Harvey Specter, you might like this. It was nice, it was easy, it was light, finished it like that. Then we have Halftime, which is the documentary of J.Lo over like I think the last couple of years when she performed at the Super Bowl and you know, like the other stuff. It really gets you. Like honestly, I have grown up on J.Lo's music and I've, you know, seen her for pretty much most of my life. But I have never really appreciated her. Watching this documentary, I was like, wow, why have I never really appreciated Jennifer Lopez? She is an incredible human being and she works really hard. Watch it. Just watch it. This is what I love about, you know, documentaries about famous people because it really like humanizes them. Then we have Keep Sweet, Pray and Obey. Again, this is about one of the like these cults in America. And it's very disturbing because it's about underage marriage and, you know, young girls that are married to old men and stuff like that. And it can be disturbing for some people. So if that's not your scene, don't watch it. But if you're someone that's intrigued and if you are alarmed that these things exist today, then watch it because that's how I felt. I was like, oh my god, like how do none of these people know that this is wrong, you know? So yeah, I mean, that's one of those disturbing ones, but eye-opening ones. Then on a lighter note, we have The Floor is Lava, which is literally what it says. The floor is lava. It's a game show where you've got to jump across things to get across to the other side. And I don't know if you played this. We kind of played this when we were kids, where the floor is lava and you jump from one thing to the other and you can't reach the floor. So this was a really exciting reality show for me to watch because I was like, oh my god, we used to play this, but except we didn't really have lava, but yeah. Then we have the Martha Mitchell effect. Okay, so this is something I did not know about at all. When we talk about Nixon's presidency, Martha Mitchell cannot be ignored. And the reason I'm saying this is because it's actually because of a show I watched earlier and recommended to you guys, which is actually my next recommendation as well. But watch the Martha Mitchell effect after you watch this show. Okay, so on Lionsgate Play, we have Gaslit, a show that I love, which is about Martha Mitchell, played by Julia Roberts. I think I spoke about this last month as well. Fab show. You know, a lot of like history, American politics. And after watching the fictional show, if you watch the documentary, you really enjoy both. Then on Apple TV, Shining Girls, Fab, finished it. Must watch. Cannot ignore it. Then we have Amazon Mini TV, which is not Amazon Prime, guys. It's on the shopping app, like the regular shopping app. They have shows there for free. This one is really special. It's a show called Udan Patolas. And I will highly recommend it because my husband, Vaibhav, is in it. And yeah, he's done a show after really long. And he did this a while ago, but it just came out. And yeah, so definitely check it out and post it on your social media and tag him. I'm sure to make him really happy because he worked on this ages ago and it's finally out. So very excited about that. And then on Hotstar, we have Life and Beth, which is a show I think produced by Amy Schumer, starring her as well. Again, it's one of those shows where she's kind of finding herself in her 30s, 40s, whatever. And it's just one of those things you can watch without thinking, not heavy at all, not, you know, like you're just watching it. It's easy to watch. And if you're looking for something light and easy, I will recommend this. Then we have Hayu again, two reality TV shows that I'm obsessed with. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills has a new season. It's ongoing, so you get to actually watch like episodic, like they are in America, which is really exciting. That's one of my current favorites and all-time favorites. You guys know that. I think it's on season 12. That's insane that I've watched 12 seasons of this. And the new show, The Real Housewives of Dubai. Okay, I'm loving that as well. Obviously, there's a spin-off of Real Housewives everywhere, but like the Dubai one just launched. And again, it's ongoing and current and it's really fun. And I'm really enjoying it. So guys, those were my June favorites. I've had a power-packed month. I've been really busy through June and it's been really fun. I've worked a lot and I'm very happy to kind of be back in a space where I'm working a lot and COVID is slightly better and things like that. So yeah. So those were my June favorites. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your June favorites, food items, beauty items, shows, movies, songs, anything. See you guys. Bye.